Which animal viruses could infect people? Computers are racing to find out. Dr. Pranav Pandit, an epidemiologist at the University of California at Davis, cautions that these models are very much a work in progress. When tested on well-studied viruses, they do substantially better than random chance, but could do better. It's not at a stage where we can just take those results and create an alert to start telling the world, this is a zoonotic virus, he said. Nardus Mollentze, a computational virologist at the University of Glasgow, and his colleagues have pioneered a method that could markedly increase the accuracy of the models. Rather than looking at a virus's hosts, their models look at its genes. A computer can be taught to recognize subtle features in the genes of viruses that can infect humans. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. In their first report on this technique, Dr. Mollentze and his colleagues developed a model that could correctly recognize human-infecting viruses more than 70% of the time. Dr. Mollentze can't yet say why his gene-based model worked, but he has some ideas. Our cells can recognize foreign genes and send out an alarm to the immune system. Viruses that can infect our cells may have the ability to mimic our own DNA as a kind of viral camouflage. When they applied the model to animal viruses, they came up with a list of 272 species at high risk of spilling over. That's too many for virologists to study in any depth. You can only work on so many viruses, said Emmy DeWitt, a virologist at Rocky Mountain Laboratories in Hamilton, Mont, who oversees research on the new coronavirus, influenza and other viruses. On our end, we would really need to narrow it down. Dr. Mollentze acknowledged that he and his colleagues need to find a way to pinpoint the worst of the worst among animal viruses. This is only a start, he said.